Hello, all, wishing you a very happy Republic Day.
Hello everyone, this is Devraj Chauhan and I wish you a very happy Republic Day.
Happy Republic Day to you all.
Hi everyone, my name is Sumit and wish you all a very happy Republic Day.
हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी को इस 72वें गणतंत्र दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
Hi everybody and wish you all a very happy Republic Day.
Happy Republic Day. Stay safe, stay safe. Namaste.
On this day, if you ask me how we can contribute towards betterment of the society, I would say in two words, which is Vand Chhako. So Vand Chhako is one of the major pillars of Sikhism, which means share and have together, which also means help each other. In year 2020, the pandemic has hit the complete world and many of us have lost the job and are currently looking for jobs to sustain and survive.
This Republic Day, let's take a pledge and I pledge to keep our country clean and green, a step towards a better nation. Jai Hind.
This is Mridul Patil. On this Republic Day, I take a pledge that I will make sure that kids in my family understand the importance of following rules. As kids are considered the tomorrow of the nation, I hope this would help our nation in a greater ways. Happy Republic Day.
So what can we do? If an organization has an opportunity, or you know that in some other organization there could be some opportunity for anyone, try to spread the word or let the person know so that they can apply and can have a good year ahead. This small step will definitely help them by sharing on LinkedIn or any other portal. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
On this day, I pledge to keep my house, society and my city clean. I pledge that I will try to donate my clothes, books, food to the needy people as much as I can. I pledge that I will try to keep myself fit and inspire others to be healthy. I pledge that I will perform my duty honestly and will not support corruption. Jai Hind.
आई होप आप सब इस नए 2021 के गणतंत्र दिवस को आफ्टर सो मेनी ऑफ डिफिकल्टीज कोविड-19 के बाद आप सब इस चीज को सेलिब्रेट करेंगे.
Though we have been through very troubling times and though we have the vaccine around, I still think we should be continuing to adhere social distancing and continue to wear the mask. So this Republic Day, I pledge to do so and continue to do so till we are out of this dark tunnel. And I wish you again a very happy Republic Day and stay safe. Thank you.
In this pandemic, let's celebrate Republic Day by adopting new lifestyle changes.
और एज ए सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया मैं आप सभी से एक रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अपने एनवायरनमेंट को हेल्दी रखें, सोसाइटी को साफ सुथरा रखें और आसपास अवेयरनेस भी बढ़ाएं, कैसे साफ सुथरा रह सकते हैं और इन सब के बारे में आप आगे लोगों को अवेयर करें अपने सोसाइटी में, अपने आसपास के लोगों में. और मैं आप लोग आने वाले फ्यूचर अपने इंडिया के लिए मैं आपसे यही एक और सजेशन चाहूंगा कि गो आउट और वोट दीजिए. आप इस बिजी शेड्यूल से निकाल के आप, आई नो एवरीवन इज बिजी, सो इस बिजी शेड्यूल से थोड़ा सा टाइम निकालें एंड अपने भारतीय होने का कर्तव्य निभाएं और वोट दीजिए ताकि हम एज ए गुड लीडर चूज कर सकें जो आगे अपने इंडिया को बढ़ा सके, हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की रक्षा कर सकें. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल, सो स्टार्ट गिविंग टाइम टू इंडिया और थोड़ा सा बिजी शेड्यूल से थोड़ा सा समय निकाल के वोट दीजिए. सफाई रखिए, क्लीन रखिए और साफ सुथरा रहिए. थैंक यू सो मच एंड हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे टू यू ऑल.